everybody, thanks again for watching another one of my videos. I am back, but today we're going to be doing something a little bit more interesting. I guess not the whole time. We are going to be starting a new series today. I'm going to be starting a Minecraft custom map. Now, there's a lot of things that we could do that are actually, before we can start building the map, we are going to get some stuff prepared. So that'll make our lives a lot easier when it comes to that. So today, that's what we're doing. It's actually going to be a 3-part episode, probably. And what we're going to be, no video is going to be very long, but I want them to be 3 separate videos instead of just one, and having it be pretty long. So what I want to do is on the first video, I want there to be, I want to get the downloads ready, and we have to download, I think 5 different things, and then start start getting basics with Notepad++ and 7-zip. Now, those 2 programs are optional, you don't have to get them, but they are nice for just everyday use as well as this project. So, that's what we're going to do right now. So open up your Minecraft, or not your web browser of choice. I use Mozilla Firefox just because it's cool. And as you can see, well, actually maybe you can't see, but there are, I have 5 bookmarks up here, and these are what we're going to be getting. So as you can see, we're getting a bucket server, voxel sniper, Notepad++, MC-edit, and 7-zip. Now, the last 2, Notepad++ and 7-zip are optional, as I have already said. But I'm still gonna help you to get them and download them, even if you're not really gonna use them. So the first thing we're gonna do though is go to this bucket server. Now, what you can do is just go to wiki.bucket.org I'm at setting up a server, and I'll put this in the description below this link. As you can see, we have a page here with all the directions that we're going to need to set this server up. Now, we're not going to do that today. That'll be in the second episode, the second video of the first episode. But down here on Windows, it says the first step is to download CraftBucket's latest recommended build, and that's this one right here. So I'm going to click on that, and I'll connect. May take a minute, but that's alright. I'll just give it a minute here. And as you can see, it goes automatically to the download. So I'm going to save this file. I'm just going to save it to my desktop because that I just save it there for everything, and I'm just gonna save it like that. Now this will download. It'll take a minute, but let's see how it's doing here. It's just scanning for viruses, and it's done. Yeah, but I'm not gonna even tell you what this map is gonna be about until when we start building it, which will be in episode 1, part 3. Alright, so it just downloaded, and so that should be at our desktop. And here it is. As you can see, this has a little Java icon, and that is what it needs to be. If it is anything else, especially if it is 7-zip, or another file archiver, then what you need to do is right click on it, go down to properties, and then this right here, it says opens with Java TM platform SEB, and maybe something different, but all you need to do is click change, and then you can see these are all the things that are recommended. You can also browse for another program, but it needs to be on Java, so just click right here and then you'll be fine. Alright, so now that we got that, I'm actually going to put this in a new folder, and I'm just going to call this bucket server. Now we don't need to do anything with that right now. I'm just going to push it aside, and then we need to go back to our internet, and then we can go over to Voxel Sniper. This is a Bucket plugin, and will help us to build. This is really what we're going to mainly be using to make a lot of the big structures, mountains, and stuff like that. So this will take you to here. I'll put this in the description below again, but it's just www.voxelwiki.com/Minecraft/voxelsniper with a capital V, capital S, and no spaces. So yeah, you see that there's all this stuff over here, just the contents, and there's a lot here. You just need to go to installation and permissions instructions. It'll take you to here, and what you need to do is download voxelsniper.jar into your Bucket server's plugins folder. Yes, I know. So this is, we need to get the download for this. Now, I may have gotten the wrong, may have gone to the wrong thing. I think I made a bookmark on the wrong page. Maybe not though. Oh no. Okay, I remember now. On this little sidebar over here, this can tell you everything you need to do, all the brushes and everything. I mean, there's a lot that there is. You can learn everything you need to know, you'll ever need to know about Voxel Sniper on this page. But over on the side here, where it says Voxel Wiki, straight down, there'll be a community tab, a Minecraft tab, and a downloads tab, and then two other ones. The downloads is what we want to go to. So we just want to go to Bucket plugins, and then this, as you can see, there's all this stuff, but this is just the pages right here. V for Voxel Sniper, not here, not here, it's over here, and that's right. This is the same page. Oh, I'm such an idiot. Okay, no, it's over here. I'm wrong again. In this description of here, it says download, colon, and over here it says Voxel Sniper. So, click on that. Save file again. I'm just going to do it into my desktop, and then I can go ahead and go to Bucket server, and then I can just download it right into there. So that will download, and it is already done. Great, stupendous. And now if I minimize that, open this up, and there it is. So we have the Voxel Sniper and a Craft Bucket. That's great. We got the Bucket server set up. Now for the other ones. So MC Edit is the next thing. This you probably should have if you're going to do a map. And as you can see, when you take it, you can go to www.mcedit.net. All links will be in the description. As of right now, this is how it looks. All the stuff is over here with the builds, different builds. But all you need to do, and you can click on one, it has the comments and all the new stuff. But what you need to do is over here on this tab again, you can see Windows, Mac, and Linux, or Linux. Click on your operating system of choice, and then it'll take you to here. Now, if you have 64-bit computer, which you can find out by going to, well, yeah, okay, hold on. Go to, if you have a 64-bit computer, then could get this one. 32-bit is up here. Other builds are down here. So, yes, alright, what you need to do to figure out if you have 64-bit computer is go down to the Start button, and then go to Computer, Operating System, or OS, and then, no, it's wrong. It's wrong. I think. Maybe that's right. That might be right. Okay, hold on. Oh, yes. Yes, computer, right-click computer, go to properties. That's where it is. Yeah. And as you can see right over here, system type, under system type, 64-bit operating system. So that is that, and then you can find out there, and it'll say 32-bit if it's you have a 32-bit Windows. Alright, so I just need to download this. I'm going to do it for 64-bit, as I have a 64-bit computer. Okay, I'm going to save it, and I won't save it to my bucket server this time. Just go to desktop. Come on, there we go, and save it there again. So, it's just scanning again for viruses, and we are done. So here it is. As you can see, this is going to be opened up in 7-zip. That's because I have 7-zip. Now, you might not. I don't know how that would appear, but you don't have 7-zip, which you need to get. So I'm going to go to 7-zip. Again, links in the description, but it's just www.7zip-dash-zip.org/download.html. That'll take you to this page, and all the builds again. You want to get the download. You want to get the 64-bit download or 32-bit download, depending on what you have. So this is what I would click. I'm not going to go through with. Save file again, and I'm just going to get that on my desktop as well. That's done. Right, great, good to know. And the last thing we're going to get is Notepad++. This is a really helpful editor for Notepad. It's better Notepad, and I like it. I think you should get it. So, over here, as you can see, when you come to this page, notepad-plus.org/download version/v6.4.5.html. Over here on the sidebar, there's a download tab and version 6.4.5. That's the current version. Click on that. Just click on this. It's download button, and then you can save that. I'm not going to go through with it because So 7-zip says this, that's fine, just run. Welcome to the 7-zip 9.20 64 edition setup wizard. Next. Accept, you can look through it if you want. Next again, I don't honestly care about this, but if you do care, then you might want to, you might just want to look through that. I'm clicking next again, and install, and it'll install it. I'm going to go ahead and skip to where it is, to where it downloads, when it downloads. So I'll be right back. Alright, and we're done, so I can just go ahead and click finish, and we are good. So this here is no longer usable. I'm not going to put it in my trash bin just in case. I have an unused folder. And it's moving, okay, we're done. Now, to open 7-zip, you can go to the start button, and it'll be right here probably. Maybe if not, you can just type in 7-zip and 7-zip file manager. There it is. And this will open up this. So, not hard to do. This is all the stuff you can open with it, I'm fairly sure. No, on the desktop. Not everything, but on the desktop. And it's pretty easy to use. I'm going to go ahead and go back to that. It's right here. I'm just going to right click on it and can't. Okay, fine. I'm just going to drag it over to here, and I have a link now. Now, for the Notepad++. And I'm going to go through the rest of that in a minute, show you all the basics. So, I'll let this open up here. Yes, I would like that. Okay, selecting language, English probably, if you're listening to this video. Click next to continue, okay, good. I can go ahead and click I agree, this is all fine. Destination folder, this is honestly, that's fine. And next again, these are the components. Create shortcut on desktop, yes. Use the old obsolete icon, no. Allow plugins to be loaded, sure. Don't use percent update %, no, I would like that. Alright, install. And I'll be back when it's done. Alright, that was really fast, but we are done with the Notepad++. So, that says run Notepad++. As you can see, we have a new icon over here, and I will run it. Now, I won't run it, so yeah. Okay, finish, and then we can run it now with that, and this is, ignore selected updates. These are a couple ones I had open, but this is just the new one. It'll say probably new one. It'll just open up a new one. Alright, so let's go through these. I'm going to go through all the components of each one, starting with 7-zip. So, hold on, let me move these two to the same place, and this will go over there. Okay, so 7-zip has some pretty useful features. First of all, you can see File, Edit, View, Favorites, Tools, and Help, the regular toolbars, and just have some basic stuff in here, Info and Help. You can have favorites that you can open. You can edit a bunch, and yeah, it's pretty easy to play around with and figure out. All you need to do though to add a new folder is click this plus button up here. Click on one, and I'll click add, and this will add to archive or archive, however you want to say it. These are all the stuff here. You can have a password to it. You can show the password if you want it. Archive format, compression level, compression method, dictionary size, word size, all the stuff. I almost never use this. I use this program mainly to open up stuff that I download, and I have an easy way to do it. So I'm just going to click OK. Actually, cancel that. Yes, I am sure I want to cancel. I didn't want a new archive, so there's that. Now I'm going to do this and click on that and click on extract, the minus sign here. Extract to whatever. I don't want to do it, but there's that. Cancel. I don't know why I keep clicking that. You can test this. You can test it, and you'll see you'll get all the stats, and if there are any errors. You can copy it, which is pretty simple. Obviously, it'll just copy the file. You can move it to another location, so I don't want to do this, but I can move it to the desktop if I want to. I could delete it. I'm not going to do that either. Or I can get info about it. So this has this is where you can right click on, as I was just showing you earlier, you can right click on them and go to properties. You'll see the same thing as if I go here and click on info. Alright, so that's the basics of this. Also you can go up a level using this little button here, and you can type in a path or a string to get to a certain file. But these are, let's say I want to keep going up all the way back to here. This is the first one, and then I can work my way down. Program files, Java, anything really. So this is an easy way to move around the computer and get to a certain file. Or when you go to a new zip file, this is also an easy way to open it. So if you download a zip file, it will show up like this. You can open it, and this is how it'll come up. It'll have the contents inside. You can do the same stuff to all of this, but it's easy to copy to, if I wanted to copy this to a folder, or if I just wanted to move the program to the desktop, which I could do anyway. Oh, hello. I can just drag and it'll copy it. But I already have that. It's down here. I don't want to merge it, no. I'm going to send that to recycle bin, though, and I'm just going to do that. Give me a second. Let me explain to my friend here what's happening with the video, and I'll be right back now that we've gone through that. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. As you can see, we have our MCEdit folder here. And I'm not going to go through this now, but this is a lot of stuff. You don't need to worry about it, but it is here. It has the all the files that you're going to need. I can also go into MCEdit again, or the folder, zip folder, and move the actual program here. And boom, that was really quick. And now we can move these over here. We don't need them. Alright, so Notepad++. I'm going to put that in unused. Notepad++, here are all the basics. As you can see, this is... Sorry, I keep saying that. I don't know why. So again, you know, we have the tabs up here with, you know, search, view, encoding, language settings, macro, run, plugins, window, question mark, edit, and file over here. There's a lot of stuff you can do with this. This is new one. So I can type all my stuff in here. If I push enter, it makes a new line, and I have numbers over here to tell me which line I'm on, which is really helpful for some things. I can add a new folder, so you have new 1 and new 2. Open. I can open any file on the computer again. I can save, so if I have something here, as you can see, this little icon turns red. This here will save it, or I can push Control S. I don't want to save it though, so well, I'll save it like that. How was cancel? Okay, this is save all, so I can have multiple tabs open here. Let me just create a bunch of new ones. Alright, so this all has new stuff in here then. And so if I click save all, well, as you can see, it will just save them all. And you can do them one by one. I'm just going to keep clicking cancel. And exit. Gosh. Oh well. And then back to new one. Alright. Print now. You can print these here. You can just close the one, or you can close all of them, or you can just do, you can click this little red X here. If I have multiple tabs open, I can move them around. I'll make another one here. So it's just easy as 1, 2, 3. If I have stuff here, I can cut, copy, and then this would be paste. So if I copy this, then I could paste it. This is undo, redo, find, so you can find any word. So if you're making really long documents, then that would be a good thing to have. Replace, which is sort of like find. It would find a word, and then it would replace it with whatever word you type in. So find what? Let's say, let's type in hi, like that, and then find and replace. I'll do the same thing. Hi. And then I'll replace with no. Actually, no. So what it'll do is it'll find the next one. You find the next one, replace that, replace all, and as you can see, replace up here. That's correct. So there's that. You can zoom in as much as you want. You can zoom out as much as you want. All the stuff over here, it's just, like, oh, hey, start recording. Interesting. So, I don't know. Stop. I have no idea what that was. Honestly, I've never done that before. Function was just turn this here. Yeah, so I guess it was checking. Alright, so 7 Notepad++. We've gone over both of them. I need neither of them right up here.